Picture this, a swarm of enemy drones racing toward a U.S. military base. Each one costs just a few $100s. But if even one makes it through, it could destroy equipment worth millions. Now imagine a silent beam of light fires across the sky. Within seconds, the drones drop out of the air fried, disabled, or captured without a single bullet fired. This isn't science fiction, it's happening right now. Welcome back to Machine Squad, where we break down the weapons shaping tomorrow's battlefield. Today we dive into the rise of drone killers. The invisible war machines designed not to fly, but to hunt and destroy other drones, from U.S. Army drone-on-drone kills, to microwave weapons with names like THOR, to laser cannons defending the skies. This is the tech that could decide the next war. Why do we even need drone killers? Because drones are no longer toys. In Ukraine, Russia launches swarms of cheap kamikaze drones to overwhelm defenses. In the Middle East, drones have struck oil facilities, airports, and even U.S. bases. They're small, hard to detect, and incredibly cheap. A $500 drone can destroy a $10 million tank, and in swarm numbers. They can overwhelm even the strongest defenses. The U.S. military admits hundreds of drone incursions have already been reported over sensitive sites inside America. This isn't just a foreign problem, it's here, and it's growing. So what exactly is a drone killer? It's any system designed to detect, track, and neutralize a drone. Some are defensive like lasers, jammers, or microwave beams that shut down drones mid-flight. Others are offensive drones that literally hunt and kill other drones. Together, these systems are called CUAS counter-unmanned aircraft systems, and they're being tested and deployed faster than ever before. Lasers are silent, fast, and cost only a few dollars per shot. They burn through a drone's circuits in seconds. The catch: weather matters. Fog, rain, or dust can weaken the beam. Then there's THOR, the tactical high-power operational responder, a giant microwave cannon built by the Air Force. Instead of targeting one drone, it fries entire swarms at once. Think of it like an electronic bug zapper for the skies. Most drones need GPS and radio control. Jamming those signals can force them to crash, freeze, or return home. Some systems even hijack enemy drones, taking control mid-air and landing them safely. In 2025, the U.S. Army recorded its first drone-on-drone kill. A quadcopter carried a Claymore mine and detonated it near an enemy drone, destroying it mid-air. It looked like Star Wars, but this was real combat training. These aren't experiments, they're active programs shaping military doctrine right now. But drone killers aren't perfect. Shooting down drones in cities risks falling debris. Jamming can disrupt emergency communications. And worst of all, it's an arms race. As defenses improve, so do drones. Hardened circuits, stealth designs, swarm tactics, they're all evolving. And the economics don't favor defense. A $100,000 missile to kill a $500 drone is not sustainable. That's why lasers and microwaves are so critical. Their per-shot cost is nearly zero. So where does this go next? Multi-layered defenses, radars, jammers, lasers, and drone interceptors working together. Smarter autonomous systems detecting, classifying, and engaging threats in milliseconds. Portable systems, backpack jammers, vehicle-mounted lasers, even counter-drone drones on patrol. Drone wingman, stealth drones like Lockheed's Vectis flying with F-35s, defending and attacking at once. The battlefield of the future will not be soldiers versus soldiers. It will be drones versus drones, with humans commanding from behind the curtain. The age of the drone killer has already begun. From microwaves to lasers, from hijacking drones to unleashing swarms, militaries are racing to control the skies. Because in the wars of tomorrow, the first rule of survival may be simple: if you can't kill the drone, you lose. Thanks for watching Machine Squad. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit subscribe and drop a comment. Which system do you think will dominate: lasers, microwaves, or drone-on-drone combat? Until next time, stay sharp, stay curious. This is Machine Squad, signing off.